Hello friends, welcome back to Amdin's vlog. I am Moidin Gutti from Tinsukia. See, it has been raining heavily here and you can see that the whole area is flooded. The water was much higher, it was right up to here. Now it has gone down and see, the house also is full of water. Water burst in through here. Actually, in the night at around 12 o'clock there was heavy rain and this back drain which should have carried the water there got blocked somewhere there, and all this water right up to here, above this step and above this step, it came in like this and filled the entire house. Yesterday night and day before, 2 nights continuously we are having this same problem. Now there is no electricity and I don't know when it is going to come back. And tomorrow I am leaving from Tinsukia to Kerala, so I have to do my packing. See how much water there is. This is the situation. So friends, I am going out to charge my phone because there is no electricity here. But that petrol pump over there has a generator, so I will go there and charge for some time. But this place is totally slippery, very dangerous to walk, easy to slip. You have to be very careful. There is no water in our water tank, so we take water from here. There is a hand pump and I took 1 bucket of water. After many days our maid has come back, so that is a relief for me. Otherwise I do all the chores, I do all the tasks, all the cooking, washing the plates. That's a horrible business, but I like cooking. Now the weather is somewhat pleasant, there is some wind, but still there is going to be rain. Going inside the pump to keep this on charge. These are various medals and trophies received by this petrol pump, and that is one Assam Motorsports Club, Indian Oil Corporation, sponsored by. That was a rally, Servo Car Rally 2002, and Mr. Mahesh Goenka was navigator and they became runner-up. So my phone is. It has been raining heavily in the noon time, and look at this. Again, this area is flooded. Morning it was it reduced somewhat, and now inside our house we don't have electricity and water is already flooding here. See the back door, kitchen door. See, it is like a pool, and after some time, if it continues raining, water will overflow. Really a bad time now. No electricity and raining like this, and I have to pack my clothes. I don't know what to do without electricity. How will I park? Look at Mr. JP Sharma's house, our neighbor. Their backyard is full underwater.
Jangan park किए थे कभी? किए थे कि नहीं?
नहीं.
हाँ,
अभी तो कर रहा है.
सरजू की है.
हाँ.
आगे बैठे हैं जमुना जी. अगर सब बताइए है लीला है.
Hello friends, good morning. So today I am going back to Kerala from Tinsukia, and I have packed my everything, packed and ready. So finally I am on my way from Tinsukia. That is Hari Bhavan. हाँ मिलेगा of Tinsukia. This is Tinsukia railway station, new Tinsukia railway station. That is a restaurant. That coach you see there, that is actually a restaurant, hotel. Friends, I am at the Dibrugarh airport, Wanbari airport, and I am just boarding the flight. As you can see the queue over there. That is the queue for boarding. My flight has been called. So I have boarded my flight.
All ground forces to DP.
Close your tray table and fasten your seatbelt. The cabin lights will be dimmed for takeoff and landing. Please use the light in the panel above should you wish to leave. Thank you. अनुरोध करते हैं कि आप इस प्रदर्शन पर ध्यान दें। भले ही आप अनुभवी यात्री हैं, एक सुरक्षा निर्देश पत्र आपकी सामने वाली कुर्सी की पॉकेट में उपलब्ध है। कुर्सी की पेटी इस तरह बांधी जाती है। कसने के लिए इस तरह फीते को खींचे और पेटी खोलने के लिए फ्लैप को उठाएं। उड़ान के दौरान सांस लेते रहें। दूसरों की सहायता करने से पहले अपना मास्क सही तरीके से पहन लें। इस विमान में 8 आपातकालीन द्वार हैं, 2 सामने, 2 पीछे और 4 विंग्स के ऊपर। फर्श पर लगी प्रकाशमान पट्टियां आपको निकटतम निकास तक पहुंचने में सहायता करेंगी। इलेक्ट्रॉनिक उपकरणों का उपयोग केवल फ्लाइट मोड में किया जा सकता है। टेक ऑफ और लैंडिंग के दौरान अपने उपकरणों को बंद करें और रख दें। धूम्रपान, वेपिंग और अपने साथ लाई मदिरा पीना वर्जित है। सभी शौचालयों में स्मोक डिटेक्टर्स लगे हुए हैं। क्रू के आदेश के बिना लाइफ जैकेट्स, आपातकालीन निकास और अन्य सुरक्षा उपकरणों का उपयोग या छेड़छाड़ मना है। कोई भी उल्लंघन करने पर विलंब और न्यायिक कार्रवाई हो सकती है। आपके लिए ब्रेल में एक सुरक्षा सूचना कार्ड और संचार गाइड उपलब्ध है। आप इन द सीट पॉकेट for your reference. Secure your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end to open, lift the buckle. It is recommended to keep your seatbelt fastened at all times.
car service for the Barbara available. Inviting all the customers to have their seated with the seatbelt fastened. Thank you.
We have landed in Delhi. So I got down at Delhi airport. See, it's raining here. All the way it was very cloudy and
नमस्कार, इंडिगो में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। मैं प्रशांत कुमार आपका गेट प्रबंधक हूँ। आपकी उड़ान 6E504 समय पे है और हम अगले 10 मिनट में बोर्डिंग शुरू करेंगे। जिन यात्रियों ने सुपर 6 या पासपोर्ट से वाली है वे बोर्डिंग के दौरान कभी भी आगे आ सकते हैं।
I fly from here at 8:25 only and boarding is at 7:40. So I have some time here.
अपने बैग को सामने वाली सीट के नीचे रखने पर हम समय से प्रस्थान कर पाएंगे और उड़ान के दौरान कभी भी उस तक
That is a Vistara Air.
रो 1 और आपातकालीन रो में बैठे हुए यात्री कृपया करके अपने बैग से ऊपर रखें।
This is T3 terminal of New Delhi domestic, and my next flight to Trivandrum is also from here. So I don't know where it is. Let's go to the gate area, exit the area. This is a huge airport. See, the corners are going that way, this way. It's all very long. Smoking room. Want to smoke? You can have a smoke here. So I am in the T3 domestic departure area. I had to go through security check once more. All jewelry, glasses, toys and whatnot. My flight has not yet been posted on this board. It is Indigo 5258. It is written multi-faith prayer room, so I want to see what it is. So this is the prayer room. Let's see what is inside. Shoe rack, wash hand and feet. Place for baggage. So friends, I had my food and now I'm going towards my gate is gate number 62. These are the yoga posters. Yeah, these are yoga posters. And quite a bit of walking. quite a bit of walking. They have shown around 14 minutes walking. That is a Patanjali store. Delhi airport is very big. The domestic terminal T3 is huge. These are sleeping ports where you can rest if you are staying in the night, or if you have early morning flight to catch, you can sleep here. It's free. It's quite a long walk. Now I have reached my gate. That's gate number 62. This is it. So I am going to board the plane, and I think that is our plane, Indigo, to Trivandrum. Finally I've reached Trivandrum. Time is 11:50. Right.